Hi, welcome back to Sunstone Studios. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make this crocheted ornament. The materials you will need are yellow yarn, I'm using saffron, and any other medium yarn. I'm using red, but you can use any color you want. A 4.5mm crochet hook, scissors, and a sewing needle. With the red yarn, I am going to make a magic circle. And chain 2 off of here. Okay, now we are going to double crochet 10 into our magic circle. Pull the middle of your circle closed. Now slip stitch. And that is the end of the first row. Chain 2 to start the second row. Now double crochet 2 into every stitch around the circle. Okay, I am at the end of row 2. I did add 2 double crochets right there. I don't know if you can see that. Most of the time I do not do this. I don't think this is a normal thing in crocheting, but I did that anyways. So now I am slip stitching closed. Now I am going to switch to yellow for the top of the ornament, and I'll see you in a second. Okay, now that I've switched to yellow, I am chaining 2. 1, 2. Now I am going to double crochet 3, 1 in every stitch, and that makes the top of the ornament. Now I'm going to cut my working yarn, and I'm pulling my loop all the way till the yarn comes out. Now I'm going to take my needle and thread that through. Now we're going to thread it through the second chain that we made. Now I'm going to tie a knot to secure this part. I am double knotting it. Now after you do that, all you need to do is hide your ends, and then you're done. I hope you all enjoyed this tutorial. I hope to see you in the next video, and I will see you next time on A Christmas of Crocheting.